So, a few months ago, I had a Subaru that I decided to change the brakes on because I've been driving the car for 2 years, 3 years, and there wasn't any issues. So, I decided to go ahead and change the brake. Only to find out I didn't take it to the Subaru dealer this time around because there was a reputable company at the time I thought was pretty good. So, I went ahead, brought the car over, and decided to change the brake pads on the car. Only to find out when I went back to pick up the car, I'm hearing this sound, and I'll play the video and you'll see. Only to find out the end result is that they lost one of my little knob there, or what you call it, the hub, and they put on the brakes backwards, and I've been like, wasn't so sure what was happening. Honestly, I was driving the car for about a month, met in an accident, and I don't think it was related to that, but it was a minor accident, and that was what led me to finding out that my brake pads were all put on backwards. And so what we had to do was go and check my husband's vehicle, because at that time we had also changed his brake pads on his Subaru. And so we took it to the dealer just to make sure that the pads were on correctly. Fortunately, his pads on his vehicle was good, but the pads on my vehicle were all incorrectly placed. So what I'm advising persons is to do is go to your dealer and get your brake pads changed, because they know your vehicle, they know it better than any other person or any other company. And so in the event that something like this happen, you can always be on the safe side.
Okay, ma'am, so basically you were missing a lug nut and the wheel is loose. The lug nut is missing right there. And then on this side, the brake pad is dragging. Like, if you can hear that sound.